Hi everybody, E.Marshall here, and I'm going to show you how I do my online videos. So first of all, the easiest way to do it is with the easiest software ever. And that's what I think I found in Screencast-O-Matic. Doesn't have many options for post-editing or whatever. What it has is a free recorder and not very many buttons. So here we go. This down here in the lower left-hand corner, is your options bar. The voice, when you're talking, the bar will kick up, and that lets you know at least that part's working. You can do either a screen. So what I most often do is I'll kick up some sort of a worksheet. So for example, what I'm going to be doing real soon is I'll give them a kind of a homework guide on these problems up here, coefficient of kinetic friction, yada yada. What I can do is I can tell them, how I do, force of friction equals mass equals. So as they go through and solve this problem at home, they can sit there with me on their phone and go through that. Listen to me explaining it. I'm told that having the teacher's face in the corner just kind of helps students personally relate to the video more than just a blank Khan Academy thing. So I do always do that. I can't switch it to just webcam. If I was wicked into myself, which I am, hi, boo. I can also only do the screen if I want to only do the screen. So those are pretty much the only three buttons that I use in this piece of software. Down at the bottom, when I'm ready to start a video, I guess I haven't recorded anything, I just click record. It gives me a countdown so I can prep my game face, introduce myself, I start writing, I continue to write, I keep writing. When I'm done, I click the pause button. So from that pause button, I can continue recording, or if I'm done, I click the done button. Boom. It'll ask me what I want to do. So I do eventually upload them to YouTube, but I've always just saved it as a video file, and that way I have a copy that I can do as I please with it. File name can be just a test. I publish it, and since this is like 4 seconds, it won't take very long. So that's going to publish. Publish meaning it'll turn it into an actual file. Let's see what I've got for YouTube. So my YouTube, this is not anything at home that I have connected. So none of my home stuff is connected here. This is exclusively school. This is my YouTube channel, so I'm already loaded. And if you have a Gmail, you're good to go. My Gmail is minutemanphysics@gmail.com, not related to the school at all. Whoops, except this is my kid. So I guess these are the other accounts that have logged in on this computer. No one should see that other than the operator. So all right, if I want to upload, click up here on the upload button, and I just drag it in. And I'll jump over to where there's a test over here, and I drag it in. It's a Google product, so it actually works pretty well. Select files to upload. Did that not public? Yes. Oh, I had to click on it. Okay, so now I just have to click on whatever it is I want to upload. I had to click on it, and it will take a minute to do all their post-processing. When it's done, it will give me a link to use, and I can use that link. I can email it out to students. I can put it on OneNote. I can put it on X2. I can put it wherever. So there it is. Your video is done. You put it on Facebook, tweet it out, G it out, Pinterest it. I'll show you. It looks a little something like this. I can prep my game face, introduce myself, I start writing, I continue to write, I keep writing. When I'm done, I click so that's it. Let me know if you ever try this and need a little help with it or anything, because that's what I'm